The 2011 Four Winds 180 LE, blue and white. Swing away tongue. Boat is in pretty nice condition. A little bit of dock rash, but not too bad. This one's powered by a Merc Cruiser 3.0 liter, 135 horse, but this is the MPI, the fuel injected. Nice sun pad. It's a 7-person capacity. Stamping carpet, a ski locker, which is nice. Stereos right on the side.